Hey, well, I just got the word that Miles is on his way over, and he and his buddy Sean have been apparently left unattended for a certain amount of time. So let's see how that goes. As you know, Miles is a die-hard Pontiac fanatic, so let's see what he's come up with. Why not pull up to the garage then? Okay. Or pull up right behind my truck.
Okay.
Okay?
Will do.
There goes your treat.
Delivery day. It's a good looking little car, isn't it?
It is, but like you said, perfect. It's a project, okay?
It's a bit of a project, eh? Should we drop it off at your house, Tom?
No. No, I don't think so. I think that's about as
Whoa.
far as you're gonna get, isn't it? Huh?
Yeah, good. Now let it jackknife. Yeah, other way. Yeah, perfect. Kick it, kick it. Yeah, looking really good. Really, really good. Just jackknife the shit out of it. Just so we miss the viewing. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, but you gotta watch the other side. This truck is gonna hit something.
And that's good. It's perfect.
Good,
Stop it there.
good. Yeah, I think you're good there.
So, well, you got nothing to do or what?
So, I had some personal time. What? I had to use it up.
Did
Can't be wasting this shit,
did
you know?
Larissa let you out of her sight for 40 minutes?
Yeah, and look what happened.
I know exactly what
I found
happened
a
here.
collection of parts that he
Yeah,
needed.
that's right. You're like, honey, I need to go buy some parts.
Yeah.
They're all,
Did you
and they
hear
come in a box shaped like a '64 Pontiac.
Easy to roll.
Oh, it's
around.
a 3, isn't it?
3.
3, eh? Oh man,
It's a nice little
it's a
Once
cool
we get it
little
running,
car.
we'll just park this over at Tom's and.
That's right.
It is a nice little car.
It's cool, eh? Well, let me see
Cool.
how this is gonna go here.
Cool welding project.
It's a welder,
Just
but
cut out for the dots here.
Oh, those would be reverse lights on a higher end
Tail
car.
lights, yeah.
This
So
one
it's
has
a different
plugs.
pump.
There's plugs that go in here and they're in the truck. I don't think
is
it's
this
going
a
to remain a
filter?
6. This
No,
one.
no.
okay.
I think it
I
might
thought
be
you were jacking up.
Big 8 like an engine, yeah. Something that
Okay,
barks
yeah,
and
cool,
sounds
cool.
raunchy like that Newport.
Yeah, that sounds good.
That would sound nice in this
Doesn't
car,
it?
right?
Yeah, yeah, it does.
I hope so.
Yeah.
All finished.
Yeah, exactly.
Hey, what color is this thing? Is it like a pale green?
Pale green, yeah.
Yeah, I gotta get it. Dean will piss his pants. He loves this kind of thing.
I think the color will remain too.
Oh, I love the color. Don't you
It's
dare,
a nice
yeah.
color. Especially with the gray wheels. Like, I think the two offset just fine.
Nice color. It's faded out so bad. If you look at the door cams, it'll look a little.
Get a better idea for sure.
It's better already.
It does, right? Matching wheels do a lot for a car.
So you getting this? Maybe it's just an early start on next year's winter beater project, Mike.
That's kind of what I was thinking.
Yeah, if it's raunchy enough, you can still drive it in the winter.
You know, these are awesome, but I don't think I can use them, Sean.
Yeah,
so-
no worries. I just figured if you ever wanted to go to a 15, but I got lots at home, so.
Yeah, these don't
If you need
fit
a
on,
set, let me know.
on 15s, right?
But if you were found like a stock 15-inch wheel, like I was talking about,
Like that have these knuckles?
yeah, if you got one off like a 70s Caprice that was
I
not
got a whole
gold pattern.
frame for this car.
I know, he was looking for one too, I was telling him about it.
Okay.
Whoa! What happened there?
Sketchy time!
No harm done. Well, if we're not moving for a minute, I'll let it on.
It won't be long. Hey, no swearing.
Documented.
Wife walks in. Jesus, I work, but there's too much swearing.
Yeah, well, it's all you all the time. I get my swearing lessons hanging around
Yeah.
you.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
It's the stress of being a foreman, I guess, eh? You gotta keep all the lazy bastards in line.
That's what happens. You get around guys that are doing it, and then you kind of pick it up, and then you go somewhere, and my God, you're still using it.
Yeah. Look how good that looks already.
It does, yeah.
Yeah, totally.
That's a
Ready
nice
to go
car.
down the road.
God, you find some nice cars.
You think?
Oh, that one you got from Winnipeg, hey?
Yeah, that
you
was a
get-
steal.
You get all the deals.
I only hunt for deals, though. If it's not a deal, I'm not bringing it home, you know?
Well,
Someone could have offered that car for 10 grand and they could have got it from somebody, but not this guy. Hi, how's it going, honey? Hi, 2 days in a row. This is crazy.
Want me to put her away?
No, it's all good.
Well, I just don't want her jumping on the side of your truck. So
No worries.
You let them out to play together?
that's probably more than we need right now.
I guess we don't have. Hang on, we don't. Oh, okay, smart boy. Smart. Hang on.
okay, I'm just going to straighten it out.
Yeah, I'll
I
get
think
over
you're
there.
going to have to straighten the wheel out,
You
though.
can handle the winch and I'll play with the steering wheel if you want. Sure.
Yeah, I think it looks great. Okay. What do you want me to do?
Just make sure we don't hit anything, I guess. And am I staying on the ramps?
Okay, we're gonna have to push now, probably.
Yeah. There we go.
Okay, it'll roll from there.
Yeah.
That's
Okay.
okay.
And once I'm off the ramp, I'm spinning the wheel to try
cut
to
it
back her
hard
in
this
there.
way,
Yeah.
Okay,
Oh,
we
come
gotta
on.
push. Hang on.
Push.
There you go. Okay. Careful, you're still. But you're good. That's it. We're gonna have to drag it from there.
Okay.
We'll drag it with the 37 Chevy.
Yeah, she's almost ready, eh?
This thing idles so quiet, too.
You want me to pull ahead? That was easy.
Yeah, it was, yeah. I didn't know whether, I thought it would be chasing that way.
Yeah, I know it's good.
Did it come with mice?
Yeah, lots of mice.
Yeah. Are they still there?
Hope not, but
They're hibernating.
no
Yeah.
guarantees.
Yeah, it's cool. I love two-door sedans, especially these
Yeah, for
Yeah,
sure.
they-
colors.
They,
and stuff.
they are pretty rare, aren't they?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's probably like, I would think around like 1,000 of these Strato-Chiefs made in a two-door post. Probably less than that, somewhere around there.
Yeah. No, it's really fun little car. Yeah, these are great looking cars. Well, this was the first year of the stacked headlight cars for Pontiac.
Yeah, exactly.
And,
They fucking nailed it out of the gate.
Everybody copied that. Well, 2 years later, Plymouth is stealing it, right? Ford, like
For sure. Thanks, man.
beauty.
Well, that's worth celebrating, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, well played.
Isn't that nice? That whole front end?
Yeah, yeah. The one place I worked, when if you went and deposited your check, and then you wrote out checks for your bills and stuff,
Yeah.
all your bills bounced and so
yeah.
you learned after a while that you run straight to his bank as soon as you get
As soon as
paid
you get
and
it,
cash
Turn
it
it into cash.
and cash it.
Yep.
And the last 3 or 4 guys never got paid, you know.
That's right. I guess Tom's wife thinks we swear too much.
How did
And I'm like, what is she doing watching this show?
You were watching the wrong show.
Well, yeah,
Yeah,
like, this
get
is-
back
it's
to
not-
Young and Restless.
It's not the edge of night, yeah. The young and the restless, that's right. There's way less swearing on that.
Yeah.
This is the old and the grouchy. It's a totally different show.
Is this another scenario where it's a Pontiac body on a Canadian frame?
Exactly. That's
Yeah,
an
yeah.
X-frame car. Yeah.
Yeah. It's a Biscayne chassis. this main wheel.
So American Pontiac would have a different frame.
Yeah.
And then the wheels would
perimeter frame. It's a bigger car.
Well,
Find
just
some
pull
mice
your
in there,
weight and
Frankers.
see what key figures are left.
You stop pushing the button. Oh, I'm gonna be living at your house, Tom.
Yeah, it's right. Be in the basement.
Well, how you gonna live with
What do you think there, Minnie?
Does he? Yeah.
Come
I
on.
want to
He
sleep
got
in a car.
Chesterfield there, yeah.
Do you like it?
Oh, no, because Dean, that's where Dean crashes.
That's right. I can't.
That's
take
right.
Dean's
Don't take
spot.
the Dean suite.
Just like you, right?
That's right.
That's why I come here for the cat.
Yeah.
For the cash.
But by the time he adds the storage on,
That's
you're
right.
gonna be in the hole.
We already have new parts.
Holy crap! Yeah, look at new. Yeah, it
That's got a new
runs.
fuel. Hey, that'll
It
fit my
runs.
37.
Yeah.
That's
Wait a
the same fuel pump. Yeah.
Is
Nice. Yeah.
No glass
looks like-
bowl though, eh?
No, but you can see that's where it would go.
Oh, right there.
Huh.
Yeah. That's
Well,
fine.
the old, what is that, a 250? 230 it says. There you go.
Okay.
Funny, it says Pontiac instead of like. There's
Yeah.
no difference in this
No,
engine
none, no.
shift to
It
Pontiac.
just-
Yeah.
But
Well,
that,
they got their own
That's like
sticker.
that one. It had a Pontiac.
yeah, that's
Did
right.
it?
Pontiac 283.
Yeah.
Let's see what we got for a carb here.
Yeah. So just
Probably
dump
the old
some gas in
Rochester,
her
same
and,
as your
Have you got a good
Strato.
battery?
Yeah.
Oh,
You know,
she's
I
got
didn't bring it with me. I could have
Okay.
set myself up.
Have you got a
little
good
better.
battery?
Does that look familiar?
Yeah, it's the same that's on your Pontiac.
Dump
It's the
some
same
gas
that's
in
on
her and
the...
away you go.
It doesn't look the same to me.
No? Okay.
Maybe it is.
It's clean. Eh?
Is there fuel? Is it like the drawing from the tank? You figure? Okay,
Right.
jerry can. Okay.
Ready to set up. He had a jerry
Yeah.
can tucked in the corner. Hey, if you got
It's
time,
4 screws.
Eh?
yeah, if you got time, we can.
Well,
put
I
it.
got till time's it now.
Well, you got to protect those things. You don't want them to
That's
get.
right. You didn't want to freeze it up.
Oh, it's all red. Looks pretty
Yeah,
good.
that'll be all right.
Might even work.
Well, I got a fresh battery inside, right beside the 37. Another Canadian Pontiac, Tom,
Yeah.
and same model as his red one. Very cool. Guy can never have too many massive welding projects, eh?
No. You gotta buy wire by the mile.
That's right.
You know what I mean.
Yeah. Oh, we got the squirt bottle. That'll get her going.
Oh,
Does that still got gas in? I think so. I'm assuming that's gas.
I don't know.
Oh yeah, that's for snowmobiles.
Well,
Yeah,
maybe somebody pissed in there. I don't know.
could be.
see Ashley over there.
Yeah, that's right. It'll probably still start. Those guys drink a lot. It's a regular
Same
contributor.
old shit.